Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to create and enable macro features within Microsoft Word 2007. Macros are a great way to automate your work in Microsoft Word. The options for creating a macro are on the Developer tab of the ribbon. By default, Word 2007 doesn't display the options for creating a macro. To display the Developer tab, click the Office button and select Word Options. Click the popular button in the left side of the dialog box. Select Show Developer tab in the ribbon and click OK. The Developer tab will appear to the right of the other tabs on the Words ribbon, as you can see here. There are two ways to access the Record Macro button. On the ribbon, select View tab and click Macros. This is one way in which you can access your macros. The other way is by clicking the Developer tab. This is recommended as it has more functions. Now you're ready to get started creating your macro. Open the Developer tab and click Record Macro in the Code section. Word's Record Macro dialog box will appear and you can name and describe your custom macro. You have also options for creating shortcuts to your macro. A macro is a set of tasks that can be performed by pressing a shortcut key or by clicking the Quick Access Toolbar button. I will demonstrate all these features during this tutorial. For the last example, we will create a signature to be added to the bottom of the screen. So just enter, scroll down to the bottom. To create a signature, you can log on to mylivesignature.com and click the Start Now button. Click Using the Signature Creation Wizard. You can enter the name that you wish to use as a signature, so I will use s.ahmed and click Next Step. It gives you many fonts to choose from, but I will use s.ahmed and scroll down and click Next Step. Then you will have the option to choose the size of the font. I'll choose size 5. Next and click Next Step. You can change the color of the font, but black is fine. Click Next Step. If you wish to have it a sloped image, you can choose, but as a professional letter we shall keep it straight. Click Next Step. To save the image, you will need to right click on the image, click Save As, and save it in a suitable folder where you will be able to find it. So Pictures is a suitable directory. Name the image. I'll call it Signature. And click OK. This is how you save an image. So click in Record Macro. We will name it Insert Signature. This time we will create a keyboard shortcut. To assign a keyboard shortcut key to your macro, click Keyboard in the Record Macro dialog box. Select the macro that you're recording in the command box. For this example, we will use a shortcut key Control N. Press Assign. You will see on the right the command has been chosen. Click OK. Click Close. and then insert picture, signature, and click insert. The image has been inserted. Click developer tab and stop the recording. You can also pause the recording if you wish to do something else, but usually just click stop recording. To save, click the Office button and click Save As. Select the Save As type and click Word Macro Enable Template. If you do not save it as a Word Macro Enable Template, the macros will disappear. Save. Thank you for watching how to create and enable macro features in Word 2007.